beep boop for 500.
Beep boop for 500. Here we go. What's this sound come from?
Game over, yeah!
That sounds like one of those old 90s like racing games, like
Yeah, it puts you in the mind of like Daytona or something like that.
Daytona or Outrun or something.
Game over,
I will say 90s racing game. Final answer.
90s racing game you'd play at Pizza Hut. Final answer.
Yeah. Did you
Occasionally
guys
Chuck E.
have the
Cheese.
Connie Monaco game or the Monaco racing game
That's
from,
it. Yeah, it's
from
Monaco.
Pizza Hut? No, it's not that. Good, but it was a very good guess, Phil. I mean,
It
you're
does
on
sound like that. I mean,
I don't want to give Tyler any help because he doesn't need it. But you're on the right track. Pardon the pun.
I have a game in mind that I would guess.
Mario Kart.
No. Phil gets 3 chances each time now.
Yeah.
Is it from like the Cruising franchise, like Cruising USA?
That's close, but no, that's not. I mean, I would have thought that too.
Yeah,
it's actually Sega Rally Championship.
Oh man, yeah, wow.
See, we knew it was a racing game.
Yeah.
So
you get props, but no points.